Understanding ground cover plants. A beginner's guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines elements of nature, gardening, and environmental benefits. We're talking about ground cover plants. These are not just any plants. They serve a unique purpose in both gardens and wild areas. So, if you're curious about what makes these plants special and why they might be important for you, stay tuned. Ground cover plants are a type of vegetation specifically grown to cover the ground. Unlike grass, these plants are often used to provide a dense, low-maintenance layer of foliage. They're perfect for areas where other types of plants might struggle to thrive. Ground covers can include a variety of plant species, from perennial flowers to evergreen shrubs, each with its unique characteristics and benefits. Ground cover plants offer numerous advantages for both the environment and garden aesthetics. They help in preventing soil erosion. Their roots hold the soil in place, reducing the impact of wind and water. Weed control. By covering the ground, they leave little room for weeds to grow. Moisture retention. Their dense foliage helps keep the soil moist by reducing evaporation. Adding beauty. With their varied colors, textures, and flowering habits, ground covers can enhance the visual appeal of any space. Choosing the right ground cover plants depends on several factors, including climate. Some plants thrive in sunny areas, while others prefer shade. Soil type. Knowing whether your soil is clay, sand, or loam can help determine which plants will grow best. Purpose. Consider whether you're aiming for aesthetic appeal, erosion control, or something else. Once you've selected your plants, planting them involves clearing the area of weeds, improving the soil with compost if necessary, and planting the ground covers according to their specific spacing requirements. Regular watering and a bit of patience will help establish your new ground cover. Ground cover plants are more than just a beautiful addition to your garden. They're a practical, environmentally friendly choice for a variety of landscaping needs. Whether you're looking to control erosion, suppress weeds, or simply add a splash of color to your outdoor space, there's a ground cover plant that can meet your needs. We hope this video has illuminated the wonderful world of ground covers and inspired you to consider them for your next gardening project. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.